How to add Vsco link to Instagram bio. First, open the Vsco app on your phone. Once you are inside the app, go to your profile. Now, look for the three dots and tap on them. This menu tap to share profile, and you will see different ways to share your link. And copy the link to your Vsco profile. Next, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap Edit Profile. From here, look for the option to Add Link and select it. Then tap on Add External Link. In the URL field, paste the Vsco link that you copied earlier. You also have the option to add a title, which can help others know what the link is for. After entering the link and title, tap the check mark or Done to save the changes. Now go back to your Instagram profile and you will see the link added to your bio. If you tap on it, it will open your Vsco profile, allowing others to view your posts and follow you there. This is an easy way to share your Vsco account with your Instagram followers. You can edit or remove the link anytime by going back to the Edit Profile section. That's how to add Vsco link to Instagram bio.